Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box, look, complementation to device. On this we have key for SIM slot and documentary. Device in the cloud orange color, triple camera on the back side, plastic body. On front side we have display 6.5 inch. On this side without controls, right side power key and volume keys, upside slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone, device without headphones jack. Okay, turn on device, AMOLED display, Full HD plus resolution with 120 Hz mode. Very smooth display, very smooth. About phone, version Android 10, version 1V, 2.5 Knox 3.6. AMOLED display and open Geekbench 5. This CPU test results. We have Exynos 990 octa-core processor, 4+2+2 cores, 2 GHz, 2.5 and 2.7 CPU speed, GPU AMOLED G77, resolution and display PPA. Okay, close this. AnTuTu benchmark look results. AnTuTu benchmark results, very good results. This top 10 rankings, top 10 result in ranking we have. No, sorry, top 13, top 13. Run demanded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device on the max graphic level. Offline mode, resume, max graphic level, display setup. And game works perfect on this graphic level. Okay, close this and talk about camera. Main camera 12+12 plus 8 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.